works. Better not.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. We'll take a picture. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice.
Dude, I'll work myself.
Yeah, I'll meet you on the other side. Well, you got a little foot step up.
Yeah.
You lifted. How high are you lifted?
A 6-inch lift.
Okay.
I got a 2-inch body lift.
Okay. So can you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Anthony Massey. Basically, I got one Team Series EM Audio 15 on MD8K on 2 platinum AGM batteries.
Alright.
Stock alternator for right now. And I have a 3rd AGM under the hood as well.
Alright. Very nice.
Alright. You can leave your door open as well.
Yep. Door open.
Yes, sir.
Does better open? Okay. Is that an 8-inch port?
Yes, sir.
And I like this big curve dash.
Appreciate it, man.
Center
Time and
console,
money,
man.
Time and money.
Oh yeah. Nice work. But is this wired at 1 ohm?
It's wired at yeah, it is.
So you're at 1 ohm on this signal? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. I like it, man. Is there any way I can look behind too and
Go
look?
for it, man. If you got to, open the door.
Yes, sir. Oh, I gotta make sure I step right. Well, that's a big tweeter.
Yeah, a little something. So I just blew my door speakers, man. So that's all I had.
It's all good. Hey, it works. Better not.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. We'll take a picture real quick.
Go for it. You don't mind you hitting that switch for me on the side right there?
Where are we at?
Right there on the side behind that.
Got your fan on. There you go. Help keep it cool. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you're enjoying the full walk around we just got of this single, huge, massive 15-inch Team Series subwoofer. We're going to go ahead and get a bass demo in a minute. Be sure to give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive. I really like that he has the subwoofer inverted for better cooling as well as optimal space. And it doesn't block part of that 8-inch Aeroport flare that he has there. And he has a roundover curved box right at the center console point so it doesn't look as shapy. And it has a nice feel to it with optimal space. So he did a really good job, whoever built it. And I like the way he has his Aeroport actually facing out. So having his port on the outside of the box actually increases tuning in box space. So he really optimizes space on that. So anyway, shout out to you and everybody watching. Stay tuned for daily cardio videos. This system demo was from the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2021. We're going to get to the bass demo now. Enjoy. All right. is this wired at 1 ohm?
It's wired at, yeah, it is.
So you're at 1 ohm on this single? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. I like it, man. Is there any way I can look behind too and
Go
look?
for it, man. If you got to, open the door.
Yes, sir. Oh, I gotta make sure I step right.
Watch it out.
Well, that's a big tweeter.
Yeah, a little something. So I just blew my door speakers, man. So that's all I had.
It's all good. Hey, it works. Better than nothing.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. Let's take a picture real quick.
Go for it. You don't mind you hit that switch for me on the side right there?
Where are we at?
Right there on the side behind that.
Got your fan on. There you go. Help keep it cool. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.